On today's video, I'm going to be making a wonton miso soup. This recipe is super delicious. I combined dumplings and miso soup together and I made this into a delicious soup and I am loving it. I've been eating these for the past few weeks and months. I'm just obsessed with it. And it's super easy to make. You can freeze the wontons and just serve them up whenever you want. So I'm going to shred up all my ingredients. I have carrot and cabbage, and I'm going to shred it with a peeler. I tend to like doing this way. That way the vegetables are nice and small and everything can marry with each other and it tastes very flavorful. You don't get giant chunks of carrot or giant chunks of cabbage. The next thing that I'm going to do is mince my mushrooms. I'm going to be using the white button mushrooms and shiitake mushrooms. Now I'm going to saute my ingredients with some salt and pepper. I'm going to add some of my vegan cheese. It's a sunflower vegan cheese. I have it on my playlist if you want to look it up. You can also add tofu or just leave it out. Then I'm going to allow it to cool completely. Then I'm going to wrap the filling into wonton wrappers. These wonton wrappers are vegan friendly, they're oil free, and I got these at my local store. I tend to find them anywhere, so they're sold in many stores, so you'll be able to find these pretty easily. And they're a bit processed, they're not whole food plant-based, but they'll do. Once my wonton dumplings are ready, I'm going to put them in a sheet tray with a parchment paper and I'm going to place them on the sheet tray. And I'm going to freeze these dumplings whenever I want to use them. I'll just bring them out and add them to my boiling miso soup and they will be cooked in about 3 minutes. One tablespoon miso paste. Ginger. Garlic. Cilantro and green onion. Wonton dumplings. Drop them when the broth is boiling. They are like pasta. Allow to boil for about 3 to 5 minutes and then serve and enjoy. And there you have it, an amazing wonton miso soup. Serve it with your favorite toppings. My favorite toppings are cilantro and onion. with a little bit of soy sauce and some chili garlic sauce. And I served it up and I enjoyed this delicious soup. Anyways, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.